What's going on, guys? This is our 2021 Panini Score Hobby Box break. Here's our owners list. So we do have some teams for sale. Have the Bengals for 10, the Browns for 10, the Cowboys for 10. We have the Chargers for 20. And then Tennessee for 10. So we do, Chargers for 20, and then the rest, 10 per pop, or we could do all for 50. Dallas. All right, Sean, are you ready in the break? Oh, yes, you are. You have the Bills. Okay. Okay. Do you need, Sean? Do you need the PayPal? Bills and Chiefs. Okay. Bruce, you want the Bengals? Okay. That's fine, Sean. Or Bruce. Okay. There's the PayPal right there. The send. Titans for 6. King, I could do it for 8. You got 8, and it's a deal. Bruce and Sean, let me know when you guys pay, and I'll look. We'll check. All right, thank you. I'll check that right now. Hey, did you get a payment from Sean M? Okay.
Sean M, you said?
Yeah.
Yep, 10 bucks, we're good.
Okay, thank you. Alright, that's sent. King, do you want the Titans for 8? If not, and then Bruce, do you want the Bengals? Paid to be. Okay, thank you.
What? Bruce? I got Houston, Bill, and then 10 bucks from Sean, but nothing from
Bruce, you paid already? And then, Aaron, the Browns and the Titans are left. If you want, you could do both for 15, to 10 each. Bruce, I didn't get anything yet, so a refresh and check. Pass for now. Okay, Aaron. It's our sealed box of score. Okay. Okay, so for now, our updated owners list. So we still have Cleveland. We still have them for 10. Have the Chargers. Tennessee. Aaron, I forgot the Chargers still left too. Okay. Okay. Oh, when you get a second, can you say something else?
Okay.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. I'm about to check right now. I'll let you know. Okay. I'm gonna get started. Put that up there. Alright, so starting off, Terry Kill, Daniel Jones, Tom Brady, Joe Mixon, Jalen Smith. Huh? Nothing? Bruce still haven't gotten it yet. Antonio Brown, Tariq Cohen, got Hayden Hurst, got Minka Fitzpatrick, got all hands team, got a breakthrough Justin Jefferson. Here we go, got a first rookie quarterback, got a Mac Jones, Chuba Hubbard, Jamie Newman, Larry Fitzgerald, Shaq Thompson, Bobby Wagner, one of my favorite linebackers. Got Aaron Donald. Got a T. Higgins, Deion Sanders, ooh, got a Jordan Hicks to 6. Nice. This one's going to Eric F. Eric F, if you're in the chat, what's up? Got a Fantasy Stars. So for these, I'm going to roll a dice at the end. See who gets these. So I'm going to put that right here. Got Randall Moore. Got a breakthrough Myles Garrett. Got an Ian Book. Got our first Kyle Pitts. Got a Raheem. How can I start doing breaks? What do you recommend? I would definitely. Let me see. Breakers TV is a good place to start, or YouTube. Can't go wrong with either one. Trey McKitty. Okay, Bruce. I'll check in a second and I'll let you know. If not, like we'll just email. Jordan Hicks, Jameis Winston, or Russell Wilson. Cole Beasley. Got a Kendall Fuller. Got a Joe Burrow. Troy Aikman. Calais Campbell. Malcolm Butler. I mean, you can start on Instagram. I know people that have started on Instagram. Buying in for breaks. I know eBay usually like usually like you put it on eBay, like depending on like teams and stuff, post all the teams on eBay. That's what we do. I mean, Instagram would be a good place to start. There's nothing wrong with that. You do Breakers TV also, or YouTube. Elijah Moore. Right behind that's going to be our first auto. Terrius Atwell. I might have butchered that. Problem, my guy. So that one is going to the Los Angeles Rams. That one's going to Bentley M. Bentley M, if you're in the chat, what's going on? It's our first auto.
Carlos Basham, Cal Trask, Zach Smith, Peyton Ramsey, excuse me, Jared Cook, Kurt Warner, got Amari Cooper, Ronald Jones, Will Fuller, Chase Claypool, Gardner Minshew, we got a Zach Thomas to 50. $26 out of 50. That one's going to Harry L. What's going on, Harry? Got another Fantasy Stars. Got a Hot Rookies, Ronald, right? Dale Moore. Got another Fantasy Stars. That one right there. Got a Hunter Long. Got our first Zach Wilson. Expecting big things from him. Tommy Tremble, Notre Dame, Taysom Hill, Jerry Rice. Marcus Peters, Tyrann Mathieu, Sterling Shepard, got Ed Reed, Zach Cunningham, Corey Davis, Fitzpatrick. Got a Rashad Bateman. Has Devontae Smith. Looks like we're coming up to our next auto. I think even with this guy's size, he's still going to be a weapon on the field, so I cannot wait to see him play. Alright, so nice little hot rookie. Next auto is going to be Ramondre Stevenson. Let that focus. I don't know why that took me so long to pronounce, but Sooners. Acting like I didn't used to watch this guy. Let me see, who's this going to? This is going to. It's going to New England. It's going to Harry L. What's up, Harry? Michael Carter. Got our first Trey Lance. Haven't seen him in a little bit. This one's going to Michael R. If you're in the chat, Michael, how are you doing today? Got a Sean Wade, a Justin Herbert, Rashad Perriman, Marshall Faulk, Michael Gallup, got a second-year Tua, Dalvin Cook, Nick Chubb, got Andre Johnson, TJ Watt, Antonio Brown, got another fantasy star. Looks like we're coming up to our next auto. Got a Travis Etienne hot rookie. Can't wait to see him, Trevor Lawrence, take the field. I know they're trying to use him as a receiver. That should be interesting. Hot rookies. Travis Etienne. I was going to Fred G. How you doing, Fred? Her auto is going to be a Kenyon Drake. Ooh, a Kenyon Drake to 6. Ooh, wow. This one's going to go to Eric F. Oh, wow. This one's out of 6.
No way.
Yeah.
That's how you find one.
Yeah. Just to follow him when he was in Miami. Got a Chris Evans, Elijah Moore. Oh, Sante Samuel Jr. Got a Mac Jones. Got a Traquan Smith, Tyler Lockett, Jared Goff, Darren Waller, and a Harrison Bryant. So we got one more auto to pull out of these 4 packs. Hopefully it'll be the last pack. Cole Hardman, Blake Martinez. Got a Brett Favre, AJ Green. Teddy Bridgewater. Ooh, got a Jamal Adams. This one's numbered. This one's to 100. 43 to 100. That one's going to Seattle. That one's going to William S. Jamal Adams. Got a Jerry Judy all hands team. Breakthrough Josh Allen. Ooh, got a Trey Lance. Got an NFL draft insert. Trey Lance. Got a Fantasy Stars. Javian Hawkins. Ronald Moore. J.C. Horn. There we go. Got our first Justin Fields. Was hoping that we could get one. Can't wait to see how the Bears do once he develops, because I know that they're in need of a quarterback. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been painful watching them. Ohio State. And right behind that one is another one in a Georgia uniform. Usually when there's one, there's another one behind it. Seem to notice that. Like how if there's a Trevor Lawrence, right behind usually is Travis Etienne. Von Miller, Nelson Aguilar, Jeremy Chin, and Tony Gonzalez. Alright, 3 packs left. Levante David, Hollywood Brown, Travis Kelce, Khalil Mack, Kareem Hunt, Roquan Smith, Derrick Henry, Malcolm Butler scorecard. Ooh, got a Jalen Waddle. Looks like our rookie, our next auto is behind that all hands team. Alright. Got a DK Metcalf, and right behind that is going to be Shane Buechele. Probably butchered the last name, but This one's going to Kansas City. This one's going to. This one's going to Sean M. Alright, let's see if I can get some more rookies now. Got Austin Eckler. Got a Jimmy G. Steve Largent. Tom Brady. Alright, second to last pack. Stephon Diggs. Got a Greg Zuerlein. Dallas Goedert. Got a Julio Jones. Curious to see where he's going to go to. Myles Garrett. Oh, we got a Miles Jack. Number to 35. That's 34 out of 35. And that one is going to Fred G. Ooh. $34 out of 35. Miles Jack. Kyle Trask. Got a breakthrough Justin Herbert. Amari Cooper all hands team. There we go. Got our first Trevor Lawrence. I was wondering if we were going to get one of him. It's going to Jacksonville. And if there's a Trevor Lawrence, you already know it's going to be a Travis Etienne. This one's also going to Jacksonville. Ooh, got a Jalen Waddle. Manufacturer certain. Fred Warner. Charles Woodson. Xavier Howard. Alright guys, last pack. Got a Frank Gore, Le'Veon Bell, Saquon Barkley, Tyler Boyd, DeMarcus Lawrence, Jalen Hurts, Anthony Miller, Michael Vick, CJ Ham, got an Amendola, Jalen Smith scorecard, breakthrough James Robinson. We got our first Najee Harris. Now I can't wait to see him play. Just can't wait for football season in general. Now that the NBA is soon gonna be done. And Najee Harris. Got a Fantasy Stars. Got a Tom Brady 303rd career passing touchdown card. The focus. Daz Newsome or Rashad Bateman. Oh, there we go. I got another Najee Harris. Love to see it. It's nice. Got one in a red uniform, another one in a white. Field focus. There we go. Jamar Chase, Patrick Peterson, Curtis Samuel, Philip Lindsay, Kyler Murray, Leonard Floyd, Drew Lock, and Michael Dickinson. Alright, going over the recap. Got a Najee Harris. Got a draft insert Najee Harris. Got a Jalen Waddle. Got a Travis Etienne. Got a Trevor Lawrence. Got a Miles Jack to 35. Got a Shane Buechele. Probably butchered that, but going to Kansas City. Got a Jalen Waddle. Got two Justin Fields. Got a draft insert Trey Lance. Got a Jamal Adams to 100. Got a Mac Jones. A Kenyon Drake to 6. This is a nice one. 6 out of 6. Got a Hot Rookies Travis Etienne. Got a Trey Lance. Got a Ramondre Stevenson. Auto. Got a Hot Rookies Devontae Smith. Got a Zach Wilson. Got a Zach Thomas to 50. 26 out of 50. Got a Tatarius Atwell. Got an auto. Got a Kyle Pitts. Got a Jordan Hicks to 6. And then we got a Mac Jones draft insert. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. We will be back later with Bowman and Panini Contenders basketball. Anyone that's not tuning into those 2 breaks, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. See you guys later.